Hi guys, we are looking at the product presentation. I've just completed the design document for product presentation. We have to do three jobs in it. The first one is we have to uh, okay. We have to find the meaning for each product and put it in the template. Which template would we put it in? We'll put it in this template. The name of the product. So you will see that all these products have a very Greek or a Italian kind of names. We have to find out what is the meaning of each of these names. So what Meghna we need to do is we need to search the internet for the meaning of these names. I just did a quick search on the name Hester. So for example in chandeliers you have this name here Hester. So I did a search for this and I found that it's a Greek baby name which is used, which basically means evening star. So for each of these names, we want to find out that what is which name, which language is it from, and what does it mean, and we have to put that somewhere here, or we have to make a space for it on the template. So, Meghna, what you need to do is look up all these names which are there in the product range, find out its name, find out its meaning. The meaning doesn't have to be too long, it just has to be about one or two words, and then put it in the template or give it to Sunny, he'll put it in the template. The second thing we need to do is, and Meghna, the second bit that you have to do is create the workbook exercises. I am sending you this design template. You will see that there is a column called handouts. Under handouts for each of these activities, there is some information. So for example, this module has been divided into three parts. The second part is what type of lighting does this spa have? So we want to make it a role play between it's going to be a pair role play. One person will act as a customer, the other one as Tesva's salesman, and then they will switch roles. And they basically, the customer will ask, so what kind of lighting does Tesva have? I made a slide also here. So Gulshan, what we need to do is put an image of a customer asking this question. So this slide will be composed, and Meghna, what you need to do is you need to prepare a workbook exercise. For this, I've just prepared this document. Um, Wait a second. So you have to prepare a workbook exercise which will just have this question and a lot of lines below it. So just that, and you have to prepare the fact guide for it. So you will have the instructions and everything. So this is one handout item for you. The second thing here is we have to I have created some fabbing statements. So these are the features of the products and these are the benefits to the customer. So just do a language check on this. And second, we also have to create a empty table like this. So I have prepared this here. What you need to do is you need to sequence it and put it in the handbook together. So prepare fabbing sheet for reference. This we will put in the handbook, and one with blank feature benefit column which they can fill in later. So we'll put a marker also there that kindly keep filling this out. It will work as a reference for all benefit statements. The next thing we need to do is in the product features all category, which is the third module, we are giving them same exercise which we gave in fans, which is recall of model range within each product category. So we have to create a workbook exercise. Give them a blank list and give them a box where they can write how they are remembering those items in the range. So I have created a dummy thing here, which is that this is an exercise. Remember the complete range of product category. Here product category is chandeliers. So you will create this for all the 8 product categories which are there, and it will look like this. List the product range, please, and you also have to check how many points you have to give. So if chandeliers has about 10 products, and it'll be 10, and similarly for others. And then we will make this box which says memory aid, which is how will you remember this range. So if you made a song, or if you made a mnemonic, whatever it is you've done, you have to put it here. So this also will come for each product category. Next is introduce the product. So how we are going to introduce the product is through these slides here. Under these slides we will have so we will have a printout of these slides in the handbook. Apart from this, we will also give uh, a free writing area where it will say introduce the product in your own words. So under each product, give lines where participant can introduce the product in their own words. So this is the bit that Meghna you have to do all this. So next item question, what we need to do is change the product pictures. Now what product pictures are we talking about? You see here the product pictures are not that great. So what we need to do is we need to go on to this site, which is Tisva Life, and here you will see that the product range is available here. For example, we are looking at chandelier. So once it opens up and you go to an individual product, just right click it, save it. These are all in the backend saved as PNG. So you will save this under Tesla products. You can make various folders for chandeliers and for other categories. So if you save it here and you open it here, our job is done. It is already a PNG and it is pretty much in the size that we need. So you don't have to do that work of creating an action in Photoshop and cutting out the black background. Nothing. Just go to this site, right click on each image, save it, and then put it back into this PowerPoint here. So this is how we will change the images of all the items. And Sunny, please take care of this. Next thing we need to do is create product category page. So Gulshan, what I have done is, let me take you to the site first. So as you would see, the product categories are basically the product ranges. So this is a pendant product category. What we need to do here is we need to pick out these images. So I have already done that for some items, as you can see. So here is how we have to make it. We have to take the image out from there. You'll have to ensure that scaling doesn't go too bad. And we have to create the same look for each product page. So what I have done is, for each of the category I have put some pointers here. These are the pointers that you will make like this. So you don't have to write out the whole text. Meghna, what you need to do is, in each of these product pages there is an information given here. So under each product category there is an information here given here. Just copy and paste this information as student handbook information, which will go into the notes. So for example, here you can just in this area just paste that information for each relevant category, so that once we take the handout printout or handout of each of these, then our student handbook bit is ready with this information for each product category. Okay, so next bit we need to do is create product category page. Okay, so one other thing, Gulshan, that you need to do is that just look at this page layout. Here they have shown all the products one after the other. So if you look here, then they have all the products that are being displayed. So it's a good overview slide. We want to create a slide for each of those categories. So what you do is that once you right click it and save it, then create one page which has all the products under that category. So it may happen So let me quickly show you. So it may happen that the so there is one product called Vivens, and it has three this thing. So once you place these various models on the page of pendants, uh, you have to take the image. So for example, you can take this as on one side of the slide, uh, just feather erase bits from it so that we can place all the products on that slide. So for example, here Vivens comes in three colors. So in place of displaying them as separate products, what we can do is we can put Vivens yellow, orange and black one after the other to show that these are three products in sorry, these are three models of the same product in these colors. So this product model overview slide is what you need to create for each of the product categories. Okay guys, that's it.